If you are over 60, some symptoms may be more dangerous than they look.
I'm Dr. Eleanor Hart. Let me tell you about Linda.
Linda was 74 years old, sharp, independent, and very proud of one thing. She did not complain much. If something changed in her body, she adjusted. If something bothered her, she brushed it off.
If someone asked how she was feeling, she said the same thing.
Oh, normal for my age.
That sentence sounds harmless, but I've learned to be careful because sometimes it is wisdom and sometimes it is denial.
Stay with me until the end. Symptom number 7 is commonly dismissed.
And ignoring it for too long can be a serious mistake.
These are 7 symptoms many older adults call normal.
Even when they should not.
Now let me be clear. Not every symptom is serious.
Not every change means disease. A new, repeated, or worsening symptom
or happening in patterns, it deserves respect. After 60, the body whispers.
Given these findings, we need to adjust the protocol slightly. Here is what you can expect next.
The first symptom is fatigue that feels different from ordinary tiredness. Linda told me she was tired more often. Not sleepy, not sick, just drained.
Simple tasks felt heavier. Shopping felt longer. Cooking felt more annoying. Getting dressed took more effort. She told herself it was age.
That is the trap. After 60, unusual fatigue may be linked to anemia. Thyroid problems, heart issues, poor sleep, or even depression. Now listen carefully. Not every tired person has a serious condition. That would be stupid. Persistent fatigue should not automatically get a free pass.
Normal aging can change energy. Yes, but if your energy quietly drops and never comes back, do not just call that normal. That is lazy thinking.
The second symptom is dizziness, or feeling slightly off balance.
Linda did not describe the room spinning. She described a strange, unsteady feeling.
Not dramatic. Not enough to make a scene. Just enough to feel wrong. That is exactly why older adults ignore it. It feels too small to be important.
Repeated dizziness matters. After 60, it may be linked to blood pressure changes.
Dehydration, medication side effects, inner ear issues, heart problems, or low blood sugar. Does every dizzy moment mean danger? No. But should we pretend it's normal? Yes. Especially if it keeps coming back. Especially if it comes in patterns. And especially if it comes with weakness, confusion, or falls.
A symptom does not need to last all day to matter. Temporary does not mean harmless.
People forget that all the time.
The third symptom is a change in bowel habits.
This is one people hate talking about, so they stay quiet.
Linda noticed her body was becoming less predictable. Some weeks, more constipation. Some days, more urgency. Some days, just a pattern that felt wrong. She blamed food, then stress, then aging. That happens all the time.
Now, yes, the digestive system changes with age. That part is true.
But persistent changes in bowel habits should not always be brushed off as normal.
Constipation, diarrhea, a new pattern of irregularity or anything returning deserves attention.
Because these changes may be related to diet, dehydration, medication side effects,
Or thyroid issues, digestive problems, or other medical conditions.
This is where embarrassment makes people stupid. They would rather stay silent.
Then get checked. That is weak. Your body doesn't care. It still deserves honesty.
The fourth symptom is getting short of breath during simple daily activity. Not after running. Not after lifting furniture. I am talking about everyday life. Making the bed. Carrying groceries. Walking from the parking lot. Climbing stairs.
Linda noticed this slowly. That is why she missed it. She did not wake up unable to breathe. She just began pausing more, stopping more, and avoiding more. Instead of asking why, she adjusted her life around it.
shortness of breath with normal activity may be linked to heart problems.
Lung issues, anemia, deconditioning, or fluid retention. Again, I am not telling you to panic.
Over one breathless moment. I am telling you not to romanticize decline. Aging may change endurance, yes, but sudden or growing breathlessness is not something to ignore.
Too many people shrink their world to fit the symptom.
Instead of asking what the symptom means. That is not adaptation. That is surrender.
The fifth symptom is memory change that feels different from ordinary forgetfulness. This one scares people, and because it scares them, many delay facing it. Linda was not lost or forgetting family names. She was not dramatically confused. That made this subtle. She felt less sharp, more foggy, mentally slow. She lost track of conversations more easily, forgot small tasks more often,
and found it harder to pull the right word sometimes. Now listen carefully.
Occasional forgetfulness can happen at any age. And yes, some changes in processing can happen with aging, but memory changes that are increasing, affecting daily life, deserve attention, or making you feel noticeably different from your usual self. Because sometimes the cause may be poor sleep, or medication effects, or depression, or thyroid issues, vitamin deficiencies, or something else not to be ignored.
This is where people make a foolish mistake. They wait for it to be dramatic.
But not dramatic yet is not the same as safe.
Let me pause here. Older adults are not missing warning signs because they are invisible. They are missing them because they label everything as normal aging before they ask. That habit is dangerous. After 60, guessing can be expensive.
The sixth symptom is swelling in the feet, ankles, or lower legs.
Linda noticed her shoes felt tighter. Her socks left marks. Her ankles looked puffier.
She blamed salt, then weather, then sitting too much. Maybe, but maybe not.
Swelling that keeps returning should not be brushed off as normal after 60.
Because repeated swelling may be related to circulation problems, medication effects, kidney issues.
Heart problems or venous insufficiency. Does every swollen ankle mean something serious?
No. But repeated swelling is not decoration. It is information.
And older adults need to stop pretending information is optional.
Many people ignore swelling because it does not hurt. That is a stupid standard.
Not everything dangerous comes with pain. The body is more subtle than that.
The seventh symptom is weight loss without trying.
This is one of the most dismissed warning signs after 60. People like it.